YouTube, what's up? It's your boy CutzbyRod, and this might be the last video of 2019. So this gonna be some fire right here. We're gonna jump right into it. I've been having this video edited for a while, about a week or two now, a week and a half. This right here gonna be a temp fade, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna get it real nice, just the way, you know what I'm saying, the C cup's kind of non-existent, so we're gonna get that to work now. And right now I'm just going in with the 1.5 on my wall magic clips. The lever is closed. His hair isn't quite that dense, so I'm just being careful, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to nick any spots or anything like that. Going with the grain, just paying attention to the way that the hair grows, and just repetition, just going back over it, make sure I get everything all smooth and evened out, same length. Alright, so next I'm going to start with the neck taper. As you guys can see, I did zoom in so that way you guys can see more of what I'm doing as far as detailing wise, and just not so much in the background distracting. So I hope you guys appreciate this. All my videos in the future will be like this, that way you guys can see. But I'm just starting that ball guideline, you know, not too low and then not too high. That way I have some room to spread my fade, you know. I'm not working with that big of a canvas, so I don't want to, you know, put myself in a tight position by starting out with a high ball guideline. So next, right now, what I'm doing is debulking with that 1.5 guard. As you can see, cut one, brush one, you know what I'm saying? You want to comb the hair back down, brush it back down, whatever you use, you know, just so you can see how the hair is going to lay before you move on to your next guard. And yeah, I'm going to speed this up, and this is lever play from now on. And then right here, I'm just going with the grain to lay the hair down. This two right here is just debulking right there at that bridle ridge, so that way it's not so dark. And that 2 guard is closed, if you guys can see. I won't be using that too long. Like I said, that's just to clean up those last few waves that's in there, you know. Alright guys, right here I got the 1 guard on, and as you guys know my system, after I do all my major debulking, I'll go in with the 1 guard lever closed, and then I'll slowly open it up to match and to get out anything, you know, necessary that the 1.5 guard closed did not pick up. So I do not use the 1 guard fully, if that makes sense, for the simple fact I feel like with the 1.5 closed, don't get, the 1 open will get, but I'd rather start off with the closed first. As you can see, that blend is already in there. I'm just putting the lever open in, and you can see all the way around. I haven't even used the half guard yet, and then I still have yet to slowly close my lever and put that get that bottom line out. But as you can see, it's fading, it's already in there. And yeah, I'm hoping you guys like this content better. I'm still finding ways to continue to improve my channel for you guys. And yeah, it's 2020, it's gonna take off. And then now I got the half guard on. Just doing a little cleanup work, nothing too major, because I got everything else out by fading down. As you can see, that thing ready for a sharp line up. And then I just go with the grain right there, just to make sure all the hair is laying down. And then just detailing, putting that extra little work in, separate myself. I'm raking. Then next I start on the side, so start at the top of the ear, take my guideline all the way up. As you can see, the hairline has been pushed back. It's been quite some time since it got a cut, but you can see how it's not full. it's very low dense right above his eyebrow. So that's why I didn't keep the C cups. I decided to go ahead and cut them off, which he made that decision himself, but when he asked me, I thought that would be better. So I'm doing the same steps as the back. Start with that 1.5, just debolt. Come back next with that 2 guard, I believe, and just clean up. So it'll be the same steps as the back. I'm gonna let you guys watch till it's something that I need to come back on. Yeah, man, these clippers really done brought me a long way. This guy right here, this a good friend of mine. We went to junior high together. He traveled a lot. His people was in the military, so we haven't seen each other in quite a few years. I want to say since 8th grade, so probably about 6, 7 years. So he told me he had to come get blessed. He was like, I'm blessing everybody else with the fades, beaming them up. He had to come, and I was really appreciative of that. You know what I'm saying? Because there's so many other people you can go to, you know, but when you sit in my chair, you just know you're going to get a great experience, you know. And he enjoyed it. So as you can see, I'm just doing some cleanup work. Not wanting to take that fade too high and then still leaving it dark in front of the vertical bar. And then you guys know I did do the 1.5 close, so I'm just going back over that, you know, that way I don't have to go with the 2 and then it thins it out too much. It debulks too much to where it's too thin or too spacious. So I always go back with whatever I did on top on wavelength tapers before I go with the higher guards. And right here is that half guard, just doing some more cleanup work. And as you can see, being that I faded it this way versus to keep the C cups, I'm able to retain a lot of the new growth that's on his hairline, as you guys can see. If I would have kept the C cups, a lot of it wouldn't have been faded. So after, yes, I'm gonna use enhancements on this cut, but on the cuts that I use enhancements on, I have to, well, really every single cut, enhancements or not, but when I use enhancements, I have to make sure when it comes off that, you know what I'm saying, you still have a very, very, very quality haircut under that, you know what I'm saying, because I won't settle for anything less. But I mean, I don't want the enhancements to come off and it's just like, dang, that's what he did, you know what I'm saying? So I made the best decision for me and my client, you know what I'm saying? He also agreed, you know, he hadn't seen my work, follow me on Instagram, all that, so he trusts my work, you know, he told me to go with what I think will look best, and he also agreed, you know, I showed him a picture, he was cool with having the temp, you know what I'm saying? So also it went well with the way that his waves grow, you know what I'm saying? He's still in the early process, you know, so when he really get to swimming, that taper still won't be outdated. And then on this side, I'm gonna do the same steps. It's sped up, so I'm gonna just let you guys watch, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can go back on the other side if there was something that you missed. And yeah, I'll be back. Oh yeah, I just want to say, YouTube family, I appreciate each and every one of you guys and y'all support. You know what I'm saying? The consistency of watching the videos. You know, resharing them, all those things. You know, I really appreciate. You know that me doing this for you guys. You know, it's helping y'all learn and better y'all craft. If you haven't already, please hit that notification bell, the subscribe bell, and give this video a thumbs up for me, please. So, yeah, 2020, we're gonna be on their neck. You know what I'm saying? I've been figuring out, you know, some of this editing stuff. You know, how to blur out the background, and I can definitely say that you guys are in for a treat for 2020 for sure. Because we finna get this thing popping. Right here, I'm just going in with the one guard. I believe it's halfway closed because we did the one open on top, just the deep bulk, and then I go in with my T outliners, and I'm just trying to see where it naturally sits first. As you can see on that right side, I don't have it straight across yet, but don't worry about that. I'm gonna fix that. As you can see right there, I've only done the horizontal bar of this edge up. So where the vertical bars stand is where it's naturally supposed to be. The right side with his left had a less denser vertical bar, not this one, but the other side. And as you can see, I'm exaggerating it, and that's where that line is naturally coming out. So therefore, I will not be pushing it back further than that. You know what I'm saying? It's within his eyebrows. I don't feel like it's too close. So that's just where we're gonna have it at. Then I just saw a little cleanup work, you know, after you get the vertical bar in, you see more on that fade. But yeah, I'm just duplicate the same thing on the other side. And this is what I was talking about. It's not as strong, but it's still apparent. You still can see it. But yeah, come back with a little semi-permanent hair dye, some of that Kiss Express. Hit him with the pencil and the razor. I'm gonna have him ready to go, man. CBR certified. Let's get it. 2020 year of the visionary bag season. We finna get it, man. 2020, a year of the barbers, year of the innovators. We finna go get this. So I'm just cleaning up, you know what I'm saying, doing his edge up on his neckline. As you can see, I'm not over exaggerating. I'm just keeping it natural. A lot of barbers tend to, you know what I'm saying, bring that in and just to make it close together, I guess, to make it crispy. But, you know, I like to leave it as natural as possible. If you want it crispy, go ahead and put the enhancements on the back of that neckline. And as you can see, I'm just, you know, applying the enhancements. Yes, I did do the neckline on this cut. Usually I don't, but I just want to try some right here, and I feel like it worked out for the better. That's something I'm gonna start doing more, is enhancing that neckline. And then the key to this right here is edging up the edge of the pencil. You know what I'm saying? You still want to have that ash mark, so you don't want to completely erase it, but you want to blend it. Blend is the word, you're not taking it away. You want to blend it in. You're smearing it in. That's essentially what you're doing. Don't think of it anyway besides that. And yeah, YouTube, just a cut right here. I hope you guys like it. Please, like I said, please hit that like, comment, subscribe, and the notification bell. CutzbyRod, we out. See you in the next video.